The rise of a great nation always depends on a strong steel industry. After generations of hard work, Chinese people in the steel industry have brought China into the era of a steel power. Tianjin, the cradle of China's modern industry, is home to the star enterprise of China's intelligent metallurgical equipment, Zhongzhong. Zhongzhong is a national high-tech enterprise for design, R&D, and manufacturing of mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and environment protection equipment. Behind the great honor Zhongzhong achieved today is the unswavering persistence of its R&D team through the years. As the program leader, Zhongzhong undertakes China's national 14th Five-Year Plan key R&D program to develop the equipment for the world's largest hot-rolled H-beams, which fills the blank in the world. This program has also received full support from renowned academicians and experts in the industry. Section profiles are mainly used in steel structure buildings, bridges, marine platforms, and other major projects. According to China Steel Construction Society's 14th Five-Year Plan, steel structure consumption in China is estimated to reach 200 million tons in 2035. The main products by Zhongzhong are equipment and production lines for hot strip and section mills, with automation system and MES system as the core control units to integrate the hardwares, software control systems, and application functions to achieve an intelligent and automatic production process. China's first super heavy section mill, designed and manufactured by Zhongzhong for Zhiju Group, witnesses the birth of the first piece of Z-pile sheet in Asia, ending the era that no Z-pile was produced in Asia before. The CMA Universal Mills, designed and manufactured by Zhongzhong for Jinshi Group, successfully rolled out the largest size of H-beams in China, filling the blank in China thereof. The first fully continuous wide hot strip mill, aiming to optimize a green solution for energy saving and transition of the steel industry into a carbon neutral one, paves the way for research on zero carbon technology. Zhongzhong has 3 high-end equipment manufacturing bases in Tianjin and Jiangsu Province, covering a total area of 420,000 square meters. It has a heavy-duty machining workshop with a lifting capacity of 400 tons, 26 sets of medium and large-size 6x18-meter CNC gantry boring and milling machines, 22 sets of large-size 200 and 260 model CNC floor boring and milling machines, 65 sets of 5-axis CNC planer table boring and milling machines, and more than 400 sets of CNC machines of various kinds. Zhongzhong is specialized in the design and manufacture of 6 major sectors of equipment, including rolling equipment, continuous caster, electric drive, automation and instrumentation equipment, hydraulic lubrication systems, top-end hydraulic cylinders, and environmental protection equipment. Zhongzhong attaches great importance to the quality management system throughout the whole life cycle of its products, and has established strict quality management standards for internal control. With excellent product quality, Zhongzhong has won the praise and trust from a wide range of customers. Zhongzhong has been making constant technological innovations to create maximum value for its customers, many of whom are among the world's top 50 steel producers. China's President Xi Jinping witnessed the signing of the ASBB steel project by ZZ in Malaysia on the Belt and Road. Giving full support to Jinshi Group to become the world's largest section production base. Through the past 20 years' cooperation by Zhongzhong, Jianlong Group has grown into one of the global top 500 companies. Top-end products by Zhongzhong's customers can be seen anywhere, from Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway to Jiaolong submersible, from Bird's Nest to Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, from satellite launchers to nuclear submarines, from ultra-high voltage power transmission to assembled buildings, from offshore platforms to wind power generation, and from new energy automobiles to smart homes.
中重科技始终坚持以创新为核心，以先进技术为支撑。20多年创业，完成了数项重大技术攻关，掌握了关键领域的核心技术，培养了一支具有国际视野的人才队伍和一大批能工巧匠。中重人把人生理想融入民族梦想，向世界冶金贡献中国智慧，努力打造更具国际影响力的中国品牌。
Zhongzhong has always lived up to the values of harmony, truthfulness, honesty, and innovation. Taking the IPO as an opportunity, Zhongzhong will extend its business chain and accelerate the pace of internationalization to bring better metallurgical equipment to the world.